This is Chef Nadeem here, and then you are watching my channel Cooking with Nadeem. So today once again I'm here with new recipe. So all the time I share with you my new recipes, so please give me the feedback, what's the food and what's the flavor. Please try you at home. So thank you so much. You encourage me and then you watch my video, give me the comments, good feedback. Thank you so much for your everything. So today I have the new recipe for you. It's really very special, very mouth-watering, because it's really very traditional food in the Western cuisine. Yes, it's the fast food also. You can use this one. Is very special fast food. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the Zinger burger. Zinger burger is really very nice. Once when we eat Zinger burger from outside, so it's really bit expensive also, but this one will be very hygienic and then very cheap also, very easy to make at home with simple ingredient. So let me show you what ingredient we will be used for this recipe. So please, if you are the new in my channel, so please subscribe and like my videos also, like that I can get encouragement from your side. Thank you. So let's come, I show you what ingredient we will be used for this recipe. So guys, here I wear the gloves ready. So here I got the breast chicken piece. So I boneless already breast chicken. So this one I have to cut. I cut ready already. So this one, because I have to cut a bit in the pieces, so like that we can make the Zinger burger is very yummy and crispy one also. Here I got the 2 piece of chicken breast piece, and then here for the marination, here I got the soya sauce. Soya sauce I got 1.5 tablespoon. I put inside the soya sauce. And then here I got the black pepper half teaspoon. Chili flakes I have the half teaspoon also. If you want to put some, you like extra spicy, you can put some more the chili flakes also. So here I got the garlic paste. I put the half teaspoon garlic paste. And then here I got the salt also. I use the half teaspoon salt, as you can put as your taste. And then just mix it well. You have to keep this one for marination is about 2 hours enough. After that you can fry this chicken and then it will be very nice, our crispy Zinger burger. It's really very easy, very mouth-watering food, and then with simple ingredient you can use for this recipe and then can make at home. So now guys, you can see my chicken is ready already. I marinate already. So now I have to put in the chiller for 2 hours. After 2 hours we will be fry, and then you can see it's Zinger burger. Really, it's traditional Zinger burger, restaurant style Zinger burger is very easy to make at home. So you must try, please. So okay, let me keep this one is for 2 hours in the chiller. After 2 hours I will show you how to fry this. So now guys, I have to fry my chicken. So here I got all the things for coating the chicken. Here I got the garlic powder 2 teaspoon. I use the 2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Here I got the flour, normal the all-purpose flour I use here. It's about 2 cup of flour and then 1 cup of corn flour I use for this recipe. Just mix it well, everything. After that we have to coat with the chicken, and then after that we have to fry the chicken. So just coat it with this all the things, all the flour, everything, just mix it well. So guys, here you can see mix ready. So now I have to put my chicken and then just coating with all the flour, just only both of side. Coat it with properly with the flour, because with the flour everything when you put, you got the crispy everything, like chicken Zinger burger will be very crispy and then very yummy flavor wise and crunchy. So guys, you can see it's done ready. So now this one we have to fry only, after that we can use this one for burger. Now guys, my oil is heated up already. So now I just put my chicken in the oil, just only we have to fry it. So now guys, you can see my chicken is ready. It really is very wonderful looking, very good looking. You can see it's golden color, crispy. So now our chicken is ready. So now we have to put in the burger. So now we have to fry another one. So now guys, here I toast my bread already, the burger bun already I toasted. So now I have to put the mayonnaise. So now here guys, you can see here I got some lettuce, I cut already, chopped lettuce, and then I got the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise I use for inside for the mixing. This one for put in on the base of the burger. It's really very yummy flavor. So just mix it well. It's really very rich flavor of mayonnaise. Just mix it well, everything like that, like this. You just only you mix and then just put on the top or base also, like that. So here the mix already. So here I got the mayonnaise. I use the mayonnaise on the base. You can see here I got the bun, the bread. So now I have to put the lettuce, the salad leaf I put for inside, just only for the good looking, and then for the very presentation wise is very good. So I put already the lettuce, and then here I got the mozzarella cheese, I got crushed cheese. You can use the cheese slice also, but now I available just only the the cheese already, the shredded cheese. So I will be use this shredded cheese inside the burger. So here I got my chicken. So just put chicken like this, and then I put the cheese on top. You can see guys, it's really very yummy. It's for everyone is like this. So Zinger burger actually is very easy to make at home. I show you already all the ingredients, so you can make for your children very easy at home. So here I got the top of the burger. So now I have to put this lettuce, everything inside. Here I just put like this. So guys, my burger is ready. Zinger burger is ready. It's really very delicious, yummy Zinger burger. So now I have to make another one, because one is for me, one is for my wife. So I just make 2 burger. So guys, you can see my Zinger burger is ready. It's really very mouth-watering, very yummy Zinger burger. So please, you must make this Zinger burger at home for your children, because children like much when you go outside you don't know it's hygienic or not. At your home you can make the hygienic, it's really very cheap also. Just get the chicken, everything got your house. It's very simple ingredient. So please, you must try this one, and then please give me the feedback. Thank you so much for everything. So thanks for watching, and then please subscribe my channel and then like and comment also. Thank you so much. Take care.